Hello friends, in this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to make custom own Captcha code in PHP and validate Captcha code using Ajax. There are many viewers has requested us to publish tutorial on how to create Captcha code in PHP, and then after how to check enter code is match with generated Captcha code by using Ajax. Mostly, Captcha code is used to identify input has been entered by human, because generally computers or bot are not capable of solving a auto-generate Captcha code. Captcha is actually any image with random numbers or character, which is hard to read, and it is generate on every page load. Now let's start discussing this topic. So this is our index file. Here first we want to make HTML form. So, here we have write, form tag with attribute method is equal to post, and ID is equal to Captcha code. In this form, for enter first name data, here we have write input type is equal to text, name, and ID is equal to first name. After this for enter last name data, here we have write input type is equal to text, name, and ID is equal to last name. Now for enter email address details, here we have write, input type is equal to text, name, and ID is equal to email. Same way for enter password details, here we have write input type is equal to password, name, and ID attribute is equal to password. Now for enter Captcha code, here we have write input type is equal to text, name, and ID is equal to Captcha code. For display Captcha image, here we have write image tag, with source is equal to image.php, and ID is equal to Captcha image. So when page has been loaded, then it will execute image.php file script, and this script will make image with dynamic Captcha code, and display on web page. Lastly, for submit form data, here we have write input type is equal to submit, name and ID is equal to register, and value is equal to register. By click on this button, form has been submitted with entered data. Now we have go to image.php file, for make dynamic Captcha image. Here first we have write session start function, it will start session on this page. Below this, we have write $random alpha variable is equal to md5 function, and under this we have write PHP random function, it will generate dynamic alpha numeric string. Here we want to make Captcha code with 6 character. For this here we have write $Captcha code variable is equal to substring function, with first argument, we have write $random alpha variable, in second argument we have write 0, and in third argument we have write 6. This code will select first 6 character from string, and store under $captcha code variable. Now we have write $session captcha code variable is equal to $captcha code variable. So here we have store $captcha code variable value in $session captcha code variable. After this, we have write header function, and under this, we have write content type set to image, PNG extension. Here we have set header variable. For create image, here we have write $image variable is equal to image create true color function, with 2 argument like 200 and 38, it will create image with width 200 and height 38 pixel. After this, we want to create background color, so here we have write $background color variable is equal to image color allocate function, with 4 argument. In first argument, we have write $image variable, 231 in second argument, 100 in third argument and 18 in fourth argument. It will make orange color. After this, we want to create text color, so here we have write $text color variable is equal to image color allocate function, with 4 argument. In first argument, we have write $image variable, 255 in second argument, 255 in third argument and 255 in fourth argument. It will make white color. Now we want to fill image with background color, so here we have write image filled rectangle function, with 6 argument. In first argument, we want to define image resource, so here we have write $image variable, in second argument we have write 0, in third argument we have write 0. In fourth argument we have write 200, in fifth argument we have write 38, and in last argument we want to define color, so here we have write $background color variable. Now we want to define font path. Here we have use Arial font for text which we have store in this working folder. For define folder path, here we have write $font variable is equal to directory name function, which return current path, and after this we have write font name Arial. This way we can define font path. After this, for add text on image, here we have write image ttf text function, with 8 argument. In first argument we want to define image resource, so here we have write $image variable. In second argument, we have write 20, in third argument we have write 0, in fourth argument we have write 60, fifth argument we have write 28. In sixth argument we want to define color, so here we have write $text color variable. In seventh argument we want to define font path, so here we have write $path variable. And in last argument, we want to define text which we want to add on image, so here we have write $captcha code variable. This code will add text on image. Lastly, for create image, here we have write image PNG function, and under this we have write $image variable. It will create clear text image, which will be display on register form. Friends, here we can see, when page has been load, then on web page we can see simple register form, and at the end of form we can see captcha code image. When we have refresh page, New Captcha code image has been generated. Now we have proceed for submit form data. For this, we have go to index page, and here we have write $, with form ID Captcha form, with on method, and under this we have write submit event, so when form has been submitted, then this block of code will execute. Under this, first we have write event.prevent default function. It will stop to refresh web page at the time of submit of form. Now we have write if statement, and under condition, we have write $, with text box ID Captcha code, with value method is equal to blank. Suppose Captcha code text box has blank value, then it will execute if block, and here we have write alert statement, with message like enter Captcha code. This message will be pop up on web page. After this, we want to disable submit button. For this here we have write button ID register, with attribute method, and under this we have write disabled. In both argument, it will disable submit button. But suppose Captcha code text box has some value, then it will execute else block of code, and here we have write alert statement, with success message. This message will be pop up on web page. Now we want to clear all form fields, so here we have write $, with form ID Captcha form, with 0 index with reset method. It will clear all input form field. After this, we want to generate new Captcha image, so here we have write $, with image tag ID, with attribute method, and under this we have write source attribute, and in value we have write image.php file. It will create new Captcha code. Now for validate enter Captcha code, here we will use Ajax, so here we have write $, with text box ID Captcha code, with on method, and under this we have write blur event, so when cursor leave this field, then this code will execute. Under this, we have write $code variable is equal to $, with text box ID Captcha code, with value method. Below this, we have write if statement, and under condition we have write code variable value is equal to blank. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write alert statement, with message like enter Captcha code. This message will be pop up on web page. Below this, we have write $, with submit button ID, register with attribute method, and under this we have write disabled. It will disable submit button. Suppose above condition false, then it will execute else block of code, and here we have start write Ajax request. In first option, we have write URL option set to check code.php file. It will send request to this file. In second option, we have write method, and here we have write post, so it will use post method for send data to server. In third option, we have write data, and here we can define which data we want send to server, so here we have defined code variable data has been sent to server. Lastly, we have write success callback function. This function has been called if request completed successfully, and it will receive data from server. Under this function, we have write if statement, and under condition we have write data variable, value is equal to success. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write, submit button ID register with attribute method, with 2 argument. In first argument we have write disabled, and in second argument we have writ false. It will enable submit button. But suppose, above condition false, then it will execute else block of code. Under this block, we have write submit button ID register. With attribute method, with 2 argument, in both argument we have write disabled, it will disable submit button. Below this, we have write alert statement, and under message we have write invalid code. This message will be pop up on web page. Now we have moved to write PHP script, in checkcode.php file, and here first we have write session start function. It will start session on this page. After this, we have write $code variable is equal to $post code variable. Here we have store Captcha code value in local variable. For validate enter code is match with generate Captcha code. For this here we have write if statement, and under condition we have write $code variable value is equal to $session Captcha code variable value. If this condition true, that means enter value is match with Captcha code. It will execute if block of code. So, under this block, we have write echo statement with success. It will send response to Ajax request. So here our code is ready. We have check output in browser. Friends, first we have refresh web page, and after this we have directly click on submit button. After click on submit button, alert message has been pop up with message like, enter Captcha code. And here submit button has been disabled, so, first we have fill all form details. After this, we have first enter wrong Captcha code, and move from submit button, then at that time message has been pop up on web page, with message like wrong invalid code. So, now we have enter proper Captcha code, and move to click on submit button. Now this time disable submit button has been enabled, so we can click on submit button. After click on submit button, on web page we can see success message like, form has been validated with Captcha code, and after click on OK button, form data has been clear, and new Captcha code has been generated. So, this way, we can implement Captcha code for stop to submit form by bot. Here we have use PHP script for generate Captcha image, and for validate Captcha code, we have use Ajax. So this way we can make our own Captcha code, using PHP script with Ajax. If you have any query or input regarding this video tutorial, please comment your query or input in comment box, or if you like this video tutorial please share with your friends, or even you can also share on social media also. Thanks for watching this video tutorial.